Okay, so task 3, writing. So writing naman, you'll just evaluate whether the statement is true or false and provide a counterexample if false ang statement. Pero before going into that, you have to transform every statement sa hinihingi ng table natin. Okay, alright, let's go. For example, there's a general statement here. Actually, on this, yung description ng ating statement is this is already a conditional statement. Okay? So, rewrite nyo lang yan. Just rewrite that. Hold on. Ba't magana? Rewrite lang natin ito dito. Oh, come on. Hold on. Rewrite lang natin yan dyan. And then, we understand if these statements are true or false. So, we write here true or false. True ba yan? If a quadrilateral is a square, then it has 4 right angles. Of course, true. Okay, now, if you want to answer this, then go. But this time, I will reveal the answers already para diretso yung pag-explain ko. Okay? Okay. Wait. So again, na-rewrite lang yung conditional statement dito. And then converse. Converse meaning nag-switch lang ng position. Okay. If you notice this, the first statement here, your hypothesis, this is your hypothesis, di ba nangunguna siya on this conditional statement? When it goes to converse, it will be the second statement. It will now become the conclusion of the statement. Now, your conclusion here will become hypothesis of the converse. Okay? So see? But make sure that when you rewrite this, may sense pa din. Okay? Kahit false, as long as grammatically correct ang pag-construct, it's fine. Okay, see? Dito conclusion yung ask for right angles. But dito sa converse, naging premise na siya. And the premise, naging hypothesis na siya. Okay? The hypothesis of this conditional statement here ay naging conclusion naman ni converse. Okay. So, based on evaluation, true daw yung conditional statement, but when we switch the places na or position in a statement, it becomes false. Oh, okay. You have to understand the statement so that you can determine whether it is true or false. And then, inverse. Inverse naman is coming from the conditional statement. Galing siya sa original state or conditional statement. But, inverse meaning the opposite. Okay. So dito, if P is Q, then dito, not P implies not Q. Okay, not Q. So dito, if a quadrilateral is a square, then sa inverse, if a quadrilateral is not a square, this conditional, then it has 4 right angles, pero sa inverse, then it does not have 4 right angles. Not the exact opposite of the conditional statement. Okay, again, if this conditional statement is P implies Q, pagdating sa converse, nag-switch lang sila ng position. No? Yung Q naging, wait, nawala ang aking pen. No? Oh, ang Q ang naging hypothesis. Ba? Hindi ma-detect yung pen ko. Wait. Ayan. Where is it? Oh no. Naging P. Ayan. Now, contrapositive. Ang contrapositive naman natin is the opposite of converse. Okay? So, galing siya sa converse where if Q implies P, then not Q implies not P. Dito is not Q implies not P. So again, if we will read the converse, if a quadrilateral has four right angles, pagdating sa contrapositive, it becomes if a quadrilateral does not have four right angles, then it is not a square. So see this. If the truth value of conditional statement is true and the converse is false, then we cannot wait. Then we cannot write a biconditional statement for this. Okay? Magiging invalid na siya. Pwede na lang if the converse is also true, then we can rewrite the biconditional statement. Okay? All right. So this is how we write the conditional statements. And this is just the statement one. For statement two, you try this screenshot and practice on your own, and then just recheck your work using this um answer. Okay? Ito na may answer for the statement two. Okay. All right. So that's it for the test three of the quarter exam.